For this video, I am going to teach you how to add TXT record in GoDaddy. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your GoDaddy account, open your browser and head over to godaddy.com. And in the top right corner, click sign in and enter your email and password and sign into your GoDaddy account. So now once you are logged in, click on to your name on the top right corner of your screen and from the drop-down menu, select My Products. So now just click on to your website or your domain. Let it load for a few seconds. And now once you are in this page, you just need to simply click domain on the left hand side of your screen and click manage DNS. So you should now be in the DNS management section. So this is where you manage all of your DNS records, including A records, C name records, and of course TXT records. So just scroll down to see the current DNS records for your domain. And then now to add a new record, just click on to this the new record button, which you'll find below the list of the existing records. Once you've clicked onto this choose an option, a drop down menu will appear and then you'll be able to select the TXT right here. So you won't be able to really see the drop down menu, but you'll be able to see that once you have or once you just follow the process that I am doing right now. So again, in the type section or in the type field, select TXT from the drop down menu. So TXT, if you don't know, so these are records that are often used to provide additional information such as verifying domain ownership for services like Google Workspace or other email providers. So now let's fill in the necessary information for the TXT records. So first one is name. So this field is specifying the name or subdomain for which the TXT record applies. So if the record is for the root domain, leave it as the at right here icon. So I'm just going to also do that. And then this means that the TXT record will apply to your domain. Example like yourdomain.com. So if the TXT record is for a specific subdomain, you can go for the mail your mail.yourname.com and then just enter mail in this field. So again, for example, if you are going for mail.yourdomain.com, what you need to do right here or to fill in or type in right here is the main or the mail part, which is the first part of your TXT record. So now for the value, which is this next field right here. So this is where you put the information that the TXT record is supposed to store. This could be a verification code provided by a third-party service, SPF or the sender policy framework, records for email security, and other types of data. So just copy the exact value provided to you by the service you are configuring. So for example, if Google gave you a verification string, paste that string right here. Now for the TTL, so the time to live, and this specifies how long the information is cached by the DNS server. So by default, GoDaddy sets this to 1.5 hour, and that is generally fine for most cases. And if you're not sure, you can leave this as it is, but you can adjust it if you have specific requirements for how quickly you need the DNS changes to propagate. So now once you have filled in all of the value, the name, value, and the TTL fields, just click onto the save button right here, and you will now see it listed among the other DNS records for your domain. So just keep in mind that DNS changes don't happen instantly. It might take some time, usually between a few minutes to 48 hours. So for the changes to propagate across the internet. Most of the time, it will happen within a couple of hours, but it is always good or a good idea to check back later to confirm. That's it for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.